Doesn't these white chocolate covered strawberries look yummy? Just in time for the summer season.
We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends.
Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. And for all my returning subscribers, it is so good to see you all again. And I want to welcome all our brand new friends. Welcome new friends, and I hope that you enjoy your stay here. In today's video, we are going to be continuing my summer decorating series, and this will be part 3. And as you can see in the background here, this is just my simple supply list that I'm sharing with you before we start decorating my 2-tiered tray. So let's get started. This is the tiered tray we're going to be decorating today. This is a staple item that is in my kitchen, and I decorate this tiered tray throughout the seasons. So let's get started, guys. So I'm going to be starting with this first item here, and it says less house and more home. I'm going to start at the top of my tiered tray and work my way down. So next I am going to add this rooster, and I like this rooster because it's very interesting. On this side I have 2, and I purchased this from Hobby Lobby. This is not a new purchase, on a super clearance last year. So let's go ahead and install it. So I'm just going to set the rooster right there on that side. And then I am going to take this next hen, okay? Look how cute she is. She has a bow on this side and no bow on this side. So I'm going to put her in the opposite direction by putting this in opposition. So I'm just going to set her to the bottom like that. And so let's go to the next item. So next I'm going to take this little galvanized watering can, and I'm going to add this to the opposite side of my rooster. And just insert it in like that. And this is all we're going to put for right now. And then I'm going to fill this in with some greenery here. So now we're going to start working on the bottom. I'm going to add this miniature picture on this side. And I'm just going to place it right there, I think. And then I'm going to add this other picture here on the opposite side. And I think I'm going to turn it around and put it in like that. So when you're doing your tiered tray, you have to kind of play with your pieces, okay? So here I'm just continuing adding more decor items into the tray by using 2 yellow lemons and this little yellow chick. I'm also going to be using this greenery throughout the entire tiered tray, and this greenery were actually purchased from Hobby Lobby. It's not a recent purchase, but I like to often use this type of greenery throughout the seasons. Some of the tips that I can share with you in how to decorate a tiered tray. Number 1, you want to choose either a theme, and you definitely want to choose your color palette to make your tiered tray to be more cohesive. As you can see here, the theme for this tiered tray is a farmhouse / lemon theme, and the season is of course summer. The next tip, I would say, find an anchor piece. In this particular tiered tray, my anchor piece is the miniature looking house sign that is at the top of the tiered tray. After I anchored that piece, I was able to add in the additional decor items. On the second tray, both of the 2 white miniature pictures were my anchoring pieces. I hope these quick tips will motivate you and help you decorate your tiered tray. Up next, I am going to start adding in some florals. by using these white daisies. I'm starting in the white pitcher, and then I'm going to work my way around to the rest of the greenery that's added to this tiered tray. Now I'm just turning the tiered tray around to the other side, and I'm going to continue to fill in this bottom tray with more greenery and florals. Nope, changed my mind, decided to add my lemons, this little white mug. So now here are the florals. And I decided to sneak this little yellow chick in there as well. So now I'm back to the front side of this tiered tray, and I'm just continuing to add some more daisies into that watering can. To add more visual interest to this tiered tray, I'm just adding these simple, delicate white florals at the top and the bottom of this tray to create symmetry. Next, I have decided to take this chick from the top tier on the back and bring it back to the front. I'm also adding these very tiny chicks to the tiered tray as well to create more dimension and visual interest. I decorate both sides of this tiered tray because I get 2 looks for one. If I get tired of looking at the first side, I can always turn it around to the second side. I also decided to add in this pale green floral to create more dimension. So let's take a vote. Side 1 or side 2? Which one do you like the best? So now I'm going to show you how to take these beautiful squash and make a delicious summer snack. First, I'm going to make sure that my squash are thoroughly clean. Then I'm going to slice them in thin slices. And I'm also going to slice up some onions as well. In this particular snack, I am using 3 squash and 1 large onion. Season them to taste and saute them down until they are tender to the touch. And now my squash are ready to be served. Have some. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today, and make sure that you keep your notification bells on because I will be back with part 4 of my summer decorating series, and we'll probably be in the living room. So until the next video, happy decorating. Bye guys.